Gia.
Come
Gia
in.
gonna make a cake today.
We'll do that like that. We do it with a bowl.
Yeah. You ready?
Come play with some C. I mean, yes.
Okay.
C.
All right. Let's get ready. Go ahead, Gia. Do what you're doing. Mix up the egg. Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
So look, I don't know where let's.
Mix it up.
Come on, let's. See, I do it. I keep doing
Pour it. Go ahead. Yeah. Very good. Go ahead, mix it.
Wow. It's turning bubbles, guys.
Yeah.
Because so see in the turning colors. I mean bubbles.
Go ahead.
Look at the picture, guys.
Gia want to show you these pictures.
That's one of my daddy's, and that one of my daddy's. I hold my brother and everything because we were going to my Gracie house. Yes, because Gracie my cousin. Right?
Go ahead. Pour it in. Everything. Don't put it. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Mix it up, Gia. You playing around?
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah. Be careful to make messy.
Yeah.
Keep mixing it.
I'm a stuff. Go blah blah blah. Celeste. I haven't got it dirty, but it's okay. I will wash it myself.
That's what I'm saying. Let me help you. Let mommy help you. Cake is ready.
I have a knife.
Oh yeah, so she gonna put it in
I
the
have
middle.
a knife.
Put it in. No, not not like this. Easy, baby, easy. Easy. Pull it back up.
Okay.
Check the knife. See if it's ready. I think it's good. Ooh, Gia, make a cake. Gia, how you feel? How do you feel?
So happy.
Very good. Wait. The cake. Come on, spread it. Icing it a little.
Mommy ruined my cake.
A little. Go ahead, ice it. Okay, there we go.
I'm eating now. Yummy. This
Yeah.
is the best
Enjoying
Mommy.
cake.
Alright. The best day ever.